Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to print the Fibonacci sequence. So what is a Fibonacci series? It is a unique sequence where the next number is shown. It is a unique sequence where the next number is the sum of previous two numbers. The first two terms are always 0 and 1. The mathematical term f of n equal to f of n minus 1 plus f of n minus 2. That is the next term is sum of the previous two terms. The example of the series is given below. The first number is 0, next number is 1. The third one is 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, and the sequence will go like this. So we are going to get a range from the user and we are going to print the number according to the range. For example, if the range is 5, we have to print 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, first 5 numbers. If it is 8, we have to print 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. For this, we are going to write a Python program. N equal to integer of input of enter the range. Here, I am initializing the term first equal to 0, second equal to 1, third equal to 0. The first and second stands for the first two numbers of the Fibonacci series. And the third is a variable where we are going to calculate the sum of the two numbers in the sequence. Now I am printing the first number, print the second number. Now I am going to write a loop for I in range one comma n minus 1 colon. So the range function generate a list from the first number 1 to last minus 1 n minus 2. We obtain a range n. We only printed the first and second number. Now I'm going to print the remaining terms. So if the first two numbers are printed, my loop should go from 1 to n minus 2. So if we give a n minus 1 in the range function, it will take the first to last minus 1. So 1 to n minus 2. Third equal to first plus second. So the first and second will get added and stored in the variable third. Now I am printing the third. Print third. After printing that, I am assigning first equal to second, second equal to third. So this is the end of the program. So here I have given indentation. Indentation stands for these statements are come under the scope of the for loop. I obtain an input from the user. Input function will display the string enter the range in the user's console. When user enters the value, input receives that it as a string and it is converted by integer by the int function and storing it in the variable n. The first is a variable is initialized with 0, second is a variable initialized with 1, third is a variable initialized with 0. I am printing the first and second. The value of the first and second 0 and 1 of the series will get printed. This is the first two numbers of the series. Now I am writing a loop for I in range 1 comma n minus 1. So it will generate a list from 1 to n minus 2. The I value take the value 1 to n minus 2 1 by 1. Every iteration, the third equal to first plus second. The value in the first and second get added and stored in the variable third, and the value in the third will get printed. And after that, I am assigning first equal to second. The value of the second is stored in the first, and second equal to third. The value of third is stored in the second. Again, the next iteration, first, second will get added, and the value will get printed. The remaining n minus 2 Fibonacci series will get printed. The first two numbers I have already printed above the loop. So this is the program. We'll execute the program and check the result. I'm giving range is 5. I'm having a Fibonacci series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. This is correct. 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. I'm executing a program again. I'm giving the value 10, 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 8, 21, 21 plus 13, 34. That's it. The program is working perfectly. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.